How to change the citations text. Follow these steps to change the citations text. In this guide, you will learn how to customize the citations text in your chatbot. By following the steps, you can easily modify the citations messages to better suit your project's needs and enhance the user experience. Step 1. Sign in your CustomGPT account. Step 2. Access project settings. Click on the Project Settings option. Step 3. Access chatbot settings. Click on Chatbot. Step 4. Access user experience UX. Click on User Experience UX. Step 5. Locate the Citations text section. Drop down and look for the citation settings. Step 6. Edit citations text. You will see default messages such as, "Where did this answer come from?" "Sources," "Hang in there," or "Chatbot is taking a siesta." Click on the text box below each message and type in the new text you want to use. Step 7. Save changes. Click on Save Changes. Step 8. Test the changes. Initiate conversations and observe how the updated citations are displayed to users. Congratulations! You have now changed the citations text on your chatbot.